Hello, everyone. How are you? Welcome back to another video. Okay, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am doing my first paycheck for the month of March. I need to budget the money that I will probably receive tomorrow, even though payday is truly Friday, March the 6th. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this particular video. On In this little corner of YouTube University, I share my real numbers with you. I go over my budget, show you how I'm budgeting my money. Every now and then, you may get a grocery haul. I do share my debt-free journey with you, and yeah. So if you're interested in watching me try to become a better steward, no, not try. And if you are interested in watching me become a better steward over my finances, bills for my savings, pay off debt, please consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, so first, before I get into my budget, I did have someone who watched my monthly budget video, and um, they were asking about the spreadsheet that I was using. And in my video, I referenced that I did purchase it from Tara with Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. However, when I purchased it from her, it is a Google sheet that I exported into, or I downloaded into Excel. And I did tell them that I would show them how to do that. So, that way, once they purchase the spreadsheet from Tara, they'll know how to put it into Excel. So let's get into that first. Let me share my screen. Okay. So once you purchase it from her, I believe it's emailed or you just download it. It comes in as on a Google Sheet. As you can tell from here, this is a Google Sheet. And um, what I did was I clicked on File, and then I clicked on Download, and I downloaded this into Microsoft Excel. Okay. So once I exported it into Excel, I went in and changed it to what I wanted it to be. I made it my own. I made it be exactly what I needed it to be. Um, I went in and, like, I did a goal sheet. Here's February, here's March, here's the monthly budget. I took away like this is pretty much the bi-weekly. I just changed mine and renamed it to March. This is the monthly. And then I have this annual thing that I do not use. And there's something right here, what I believe. And then I have my debt snowball. So that's that. That's how I did that. So now let's get into my budget. All right, let me make sure my thing is still working the way it's supposed to. Okay. And it is. I'm actually using a different program to record with, and I'm not sure how it's working. So hopefully this will work because I deleted the other one that I was doing. All right. Let's get into my budget. All right. So for the first paycheck, which is here, which is my main source of income, my W-2 income, my paycheck will be what will post to my account is $2,210. I had When I had a rollover of 184, I paid my cell phone, which was 183.18, out of that money. So what I did notice that in February when I went half and half on all of my expenses, that worked for me. And then I used my second job's income for like my sinking funds, or use it for, I think I used it for debt as well. Let me look. So February, yeah, I used it for mostly debt, actually. Debt, and then I did some of my subscriptions. Okay. So here, tithing is 100. I split that Ooh, 1,000 one day, Lord. I split that in half. My mortgage is 1697.86. My mortgage was just sold to a new company, so I'm not sure how it's going to work. Like I gotta reach out to them tomorrow because I know it was just sold today, so they may reach out to me as well. But I want to make sure I get everything in order. I am going to put 700 here for right now. My electric, I can divide that by two. Uh, equals this divided by two. TV stream is due on the 10th, so I'll pay that full amount. This is due on the 25th, so let me hold on a second on that one. Apple 20, HPE 5. My car insurance is due before, so I need to pay that. I think that's actually due on the 6th. The ring plan is 11, and this is automatically done, so that is not a question. So I still have 1,000 left over. Debt will go over here and probably here. This is due on the 6th, so I need to pay that one. This one is due on the 17th. So that needs to go with that. This debt can go here. Half of my car payments is gonna go here. So this is the paycheck that I'm getting that we're budgeting. I'm just moving stuff over for my second job, my part-time job. That way I'm not skipping any lines. This is due on the 13th. So let me hold off a second on that one because I do know that 200 is going to this credit card, and this credit card is from I bought my son's airline ticket to come back from overseas, so I'm paying that off. That's debt that will probably go over there. All right, so allowance. I'm going to split that in two. I'm going to make that 40. Now, one of my goals for March is to eat out maybe twice a month. I'm trying to limit myself on eating out. So if I put 20 here and then 20 on the next paycheck, that's going to be it because I have some goals and some things that I want to get done in March, and it does not include eating out. So gas, I always do 40 when I get paid. Giving is 10. Grocery, I can maybe split 150. I do want to get my hair done. If I decide to get my hair done, I may pull some from grocery, but I'm not sure. That's why I just pulled that 50 off of there because I don't really need, I don't know. I got to talk to the young lady tomorrow to see how much she's going to charge me first. Household, I definitely don't need anything, so I'm only going to do 15. Lawn care, I do need to do something with my yard. God knows I do. So hold on. Let me come back to that one. Let me go down here to my savings, which usually should be at the top. The savings is done on those two checks, so I'll do this one here. Now, these other savings are saving challenges that I'm doing for the year, but they are for my sinking fund, so I just do it here because I noticed on my one of my budgets, I had dinner in sinking funds and I was doing it at the bottom, and I was like, "What the what?" All right, car maintenance. Um, I'm gonna say 25. Half of this one would be 9. Family time, maybe 20. Nope, this is for this. I created this category because just in case someone needs something, like if my son needs some extra money or something happens, 40 isn't a lot, but it's at least something that I'm putting into my budget. $10 towards family time. Hurricane season is rapidly approaching, and you know, I ended up spending the money I had set aside for my passport, helping family. So, um, I gotta redo that one again. And right now, with the way things are going, Let me tell you, I don't know if I'm in a rush to get a passport or not. So I'm just going to put 20. Planner, I will do 20. And this, you know what? Nope. I'm just going to do 10. Yep, I'm going to do 10 because my planner now I'm doing digital. Parking, I would definitely do that 5. So I still have 100 left. All right, let me go back up because it was something I looked that up here, which was the internet. So if I take equals half of this is 62. So that leaves me with 39.40. 39.40. Um, this can go here. Let's see. Allowance, dining out, gas, giving, grocery. Maybe I'll put 20 towards this. Household is 15. Lawn care and unexpected. I'll leave the 1940 unexpected. Oh, I'm over by a penny. That rounding off stuff. We saw that. So if I do 1940, I'm over. If I do 1939, I have a penny left over. I hate rounding. Um, yep, that's right. The sum of D85. So what does D85 say? Let me make sure everything else totals up correctly. And we're just not going to stress too much about that penny. And I'm not telling the truth because that penny will buy. Oh, hold up. All right, Peacock, $5. HBO Max, I can do the whole 3, and then I can put Disney Plus on the next one. CapCut, I could do 4. Uh-uh, uh-uh, uh-uh. We're not doing that. We're not doing that one. All right, that leaves me with, that's not a lot. That leaves me with child, let's just say $7. That leaves me with $7 because I'm not playing with that penny. All right. So I think this is what I am going to do. My plans are for this paycheck that I will get tomorrow. There, that's it. All right. So hopefully this recording goes right. And yay, I think it worked. All right, guys. That's it. That's what I plan on doing with this paycheck. And the next video you will see after this one should be my February closeout to show you how I did for February and what my goals are for March. And for I can't think of, I can't even think of the comment of the person that left their comment. I'm trying to look on my phone really fast to see if this, I hope this helps and kind of show you how I got it into Excel. If you have any more questions, please comment and let me know, and I can show you how I just downloaded her spreadsheet into Excel. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always continuing to support my channel. Thank you for subscribing. And I pray you have a wonderful day, night, weekend, whenever you are watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.